According to Forbes, 19% of the CRM market is now owned by Salesforce, and also according to Glassdoor.com, the number one tech job in the USA is Salesforce developer. Many organizations are shifting from manual methods to CRMs right now. Companies prefer Salesforce because it's the number one tool in the industry. Welcome to this master course on Salesforce. This training consists of 3 months of rigorous training on Salesforce concepts, 80 hours of industry-based projects and assignments, lifelong technical support for this master course. We at Intellipaat aim to be the most customer-centric company in the world. And for this, if you commit to us to learn Salesforce, we ensure you that you will learn it and also become one of the best Salesforce professionals in the industry. And for backing this commitment, we provide you the following features. Live instructor-led training so that you can clear your doubts on the go. 24/7 technical support so that you can clear your doubts in the middle of the night or even if you're from a different time zone. Lifetime access, you get lifetime access for the live training and also the technical support. Industry-oriented projects and assignments. All your projects have been designed by industry professionals who are currently working on the same domain. Mock interviews. We conduct mock interviews which are conducted by real-time hiring managers currently working in the same industry. Job assistance. We provide placement assistance for any learner who has successfully completed the course. Now let us talk about how this course has been created. We went through hundreds of job descriptions to gather all the skills which are put up which is expected by the employer. Next, we've also went through the certification exam guidelines to gather all the skills which are required for you to clear the examination. And finally, we've discussed with various industry professionals who are currently working on the Salesforce domain to gather all the skill sets which are expected from them by the employer. So we've put together all of this information and created this course which will help you clear the certification as well as land a job in the Salesforce domain. This course will cover 3 major concepts in Salesforce. First, Salesforce administration. Second, Salesforce app builder. And finally, Salesforce platform developer. Now let us see how this course has been structured. This course is divided into multiple modules which have side-by-side hands-ons so that you can learn both theoretically and practically at the same time. And at the end of each module, you have a case study which you will have to solve, which is a combination of all the concepts you have learned in that particular module. And finally, you will be provided with a capstone project, which is an industry-based use case and also a combination of all the concepts you have learned in this course. This training will ensure you that you will gain the skills to become a complete Salesforce professional. Join Intellipaat today and get your dream job in the next 6 months.